Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import and use a Polycam skin in SketchUp. Let's get started. Here is a model that I captured using the Polycam app on iOS. To start exporting the model, I will select Export To, and I'll select the software that we will be using, which is SketchUp. Here it gives us two formats. For me, the Collada format works really great, so I'll select that. Now I can choose where to save my file. I will save it to Dropbox and then go to Dropbox on my computer to download it. Alternatively, I can go to Polycam's website to view my model. Also, if I export the model from here, it will be downloaded directly, which is very convenient. After you've downloaded the model, it will be in a zip file, so we need to extract it. Here you can see the Collada file and the maps that come with the model. Next, let's open up SketchUp and go to File, Import. Then let's select the Collada file. There we go. You can see that the texture has been automatically imported. To clean up the model, first right-click it and click on Edit Component. Now we can start selecting the unneeded parts of the model and deleting them. Just repeat this process until you're happy with the model. Next, I will right-click the component and select Soften Smooth Edges. Then we can use this slider and these options down here to soften the edges on the model. There we go, that looks great. Now the model is ready to be used in a rendering software, which in this video I will be using V-Ray. Here you can make changes to the material, such as the reflectivity. I will also add a glossiness map here. Polycam doesn't provide a glossiness map, but it gives us a roughness map. So we can just invert the map, and the roughness map will become the glossiness map. And feel free to experiment with different lighting. With some quick work, we have a model that's ready to render. Now I can bring this model into a 3D scene. Since it's a shoe, I can duplicate it, then flip it, and now I have a realistic pair of shoes in my render. And if you want to capture larger spaces, then you can use Polycam's LiDAR mode. Here you can see me taking a very quick scan of my garage, but you can spend more time scanning your space if you like. Once that's done, I can go to Polycam's website, then export the model just like before, and then I can unzip it. Now I can go to SketchUp and import the file. Large LiDAR captures sometimes can be too big for SketchUp, but you can use Skimp to reduce their complexity and optimize them for SketchUp. Just select the model and click on Simplify Selection. Here you can use the slider to control how much you want to simplify. Then you can click Replace. There we go. And that's how you can use Polycam scans to create realistic models in SketchUp.